Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I would like to share with you one more hat that I have done for my husband. It's a unisex hat, so it will fit both men, women, boys, girls. For girls you can add a pom-pom, you can make as well a yarn pom-pom, so up to you. If you want a winter and warm hat, make a folded brim as I did. So the yarn I'm going to use today, the Bernard Robin yarn. It is a super bulky yarn, you see, number 5, and so it has 100 grams and 109 meters. The knitting needle that I'm going to use today, it is 6.5, the same as the yarn producer recommends. So 6.5, and it is 80 centimeters length circular needles. I don't have the double pointed needles, but you can use it if it's easier for you, also double pointed needles. So if you're ready, let's get started. For this hat, for the size 57-58 centimeters, you will need to cast on 60 stitches or any other number that is divisible by 4. I cast on 61 stitch, and I'm going to use this one stitch to join and knit in rounds. For this now, I am doing something that is similar to triangle. Please pay attention that all your stitches are looking in one direction and are not twisted. So you see triangle. Let's check all stitches. Here everything is correct, just the strand. So slip the very first stitch to the right hand needle, then slip the last stitch over the first one and drop it off the needle, pull tails and return the first stitch to the left hand needle. Now place a stitch marker and let's start knitting ribbing. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1. Okay, please finish this round till the stitch marker, then go on ribbing until the ribbing part reaches 5-6 centimeters, or if you want a folded brim, as I'm going to do, then about 14-15 centimeters. Here I am. That's how the brim is looking now. Let's measure it. So 15 centimeters. You can make 14, it's okay as well. First round, knit 1, purl 3. 1, 2, 3, and repeat again. knit 1, purl 3. And again, knit 1, purl 3. In case you would like to know how to knit the main stitch pattern in rows, please check the video tutorial. That is posted on my channel as well. So knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3. Please go on till the stitch marker. Round number 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. This is a simple ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And if I didn't say it before, the main stitch has only 2 rounds to repeat. Knit 1, purl 1. Go on knitting and finish this round. And now we are going to repeat round number 1. Knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. And again knit 1, purl 3. Knit 1, purl 3. Finish this round and then repeat again the second round. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and like this go on until this part measures 14 centimeters. Here I am. Let's measure what I have. So the total length is 18.5 centimeters, and the length of the main part is about 14 centimeters, as I said. So let's start making decreases and shaping the crown. Knit 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, and repeat. Knit 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2 together, purl 1. Please finish this round. The next round will be without decreases. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2. Please finish this round. Round number 3, again, knit 1, purl 2 together, decreasing 1 purl stitch and repeat. Knit 1, purl 2 together, knit 1, purl 2 together, knit 1, purl 2 together. Go on and finish this round. Round number 4 will be without decreases. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Just a simple ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1. Finish this round. Next round, slip the first stitch, then knit the next one and pass over. So slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, and like this. Go on again. Slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over. Please finish this round. So I've done all decreases. Now let's cut the yarn. Take the yarn needle or tapestry needle. You can also use a hook. Thread the tail. And let's slip remaining stitches. 1, 2, 3. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pull tight. Looks great. Now pull the tail on the wrong side. And now pull again the tail underneath remaining stitches once or twice. Just underneath. At the same time, pull tail to close the hole. Let's make a knot. And then you can cut the yarn. There is one more tail at the beginning. Let's weave it as well. Here on the right side. Just pull tail underneath. In this way. Okay, and then cut the yarn. That's it. What do you think? I like how the crown looks. and I like this. Seems easy stitch but looks great. Pom-pom, as I said, you can add, but look at this crown, really beautiful one. You don't need to cover it if you don't want. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please support me, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorial.